welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today we're going to Apple Store to get my iPad, and right now we're just waiting for Sister Jenny, and we're gonna go to Town Square. So see you then. Okay guys, so we just got here to Town Square with Sister. I'm dead. So right now we're going to the Apple Store.
Su primera iPad. You got this pen?
Yeah, I got that pen. Nothing dirty. Okay guys, we just got it. It's right there. That's it. Thank you. Yep, we just got the receipts and it's done. We're gonna go with Sister Jenny to start the AirPod Maxes. Yeah. Yes, let's go walk around. We just got out the store. And this account is broken now. But it's okay. Yeah, Sister Jenny got some hot dogs. And we're gonna try some corn dogs. Yeah, Korean corn dogs. I'm dead. Okay, see you for the setup. Sister got drinks. Okay guys, so Sister Jenny couldn't help because she had to go do some errands. But sorry, it's windy out here. But Sister Jenny got me some Dutch. So we just got back from Town Square. And we got the iPad, and then we also got the pencil, because why buy an iPad without the pencil? So let's do this again, and hopefully this time it just doesn't rip off like last time. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, so right now we're gonna do a little pull tab. Hopefully it works this time. Yay, it kind of worked this time. Because recapping to last time, let's pull it open. Well, that didn't work. It for sure not. Like for the what is it called? For the Oculus. And I still have to do a part 2 for that for you guys. But look at this. My brand new iPad. So let's open her up. Let's see. Come on now. First reveal. So this is how it is right now. Let's take her out. So this is the iPad. Let's undo her right here. Perfect. This is her. Okay, let me get her turned on and set up. I'll come back after that. Okay, so right now we're gonna turn her on and set her up. Ooh, you guys, she turned on. Okay, we're gonna wait for her to turn on. Ooh, you guys, we got the hello. So I'm gonna fast forward this because this is just a setup process.
just came for the data privacy things, so I'm just gonna click continue.
Meanwhile, that is working. Let's look through the box right here. It's the stickers and the info, and then we get the block and the charger, which they don't do that for the iPhones anymore. Look, it's ready now. Now it's telling me to set up my Touch ID. So for this part, I'm probably gonna speed it up. Ooh, look. Oh, I gotta agree to terms and conditions. Signing me in. You guys, should I repost my MacBook one, which was a couple years ago? Wow, this gets ready. I got the pencil, which I am excited for. Okay, it's telling me to transfer my apps and data, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So don't transfer anything. Make this continue. Okay, I have to add my cards and everything, so do that real quick. Get started. You guys, I have set my iPad up, so yeah. Okay guys, time to do the pencil. So hopefully this time it goes successful. Ooh, that one was clean, y'all. Okay, let's take her out of the plastic. It's like, rip me out the plastic. I've been acting right now. Oops. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. But yes, y'all. Okay. So this is the pencil. Let's open this up. The sign. But made in California. So let's put this. This is just the tips and then the stuff. And this is a pencil, y'all. So I think we just open it like this. Yeah, like that. Put this right back. And then I think we just slap it onto our iPad. Let's see. Or how? Oh, there. See a little animation? It says, welcome to Apple Pencil. So, let me try this really quick. And I'll come back. So, that's basically today's video, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.